All right, the day has come. Here we are. This is a three-generation Volkswagen. three generations of Volkswagen enthusiasts. We're gonna do the cold start finally. Rex, do you wanna? You did such a good job yesterday.
Sure.
If you hit that OK button, it's a pause too.
Yeah.
Leaks so far.
Leaks?
Yes.
Wish I had a little bottle, baby bottle. I don't have that ready. That's enough.
All right. Probably choked it too much now.
Not. It's probably not cycling the gas up just yet.
Your the air mixture screw, you got the turn and a half out? Approximately.
I don't know. Let's maybe double check. Don't remember. A little while ago when I did that.
It's gonna go.
Yeah,
Yep.
it's
Going already. Should be going by now. Go ahead. For 25 years.
I saw it. I recorded it.
How far out have we got? No. Yeah. Kind of.
Alright, I'm going to call that a success. Thanks, Dad, for coming over. And it's idling right now. Got to work out a couple bugs, but got to get the timing just right, but it's pretty close. Adjust the valve. Pretty cool to see that throttle ring working, and it's really pushing a lot of cool air right here, right now. But you can feel the heat. You can feel the heat coming out through the bottom of the cylinder. Well, I'm very happy. All right, thanks for joining us. Talk to you later. One last test. Let's see if this thing, how it cranks over with a 6-volt battery instead of the 12. Not well. I don't. Okay. After one project ends, another one begins. Don't you love spring? Redoing the shutters. Gotta get the boat ready. Gotta build the canopy for the boat. Shutters. I had some trim in the windows that I had to do. Scrape, prime, caulk, 2 coats finish. Apple tree is blooming. Gotta paint that because I finished that in December. On and on and on. Now it's on to do this. Into here. I love spring, but man, it's busy. Talk to you later.